Hello friends, it's very rainy outside, so I thought that this video I might do in a Green Dragon Inn in Buckland, so you will see a thing in indoor context. And this time it's a Hobbit folding knife that's available, and I will show it to you. So, in my traveler bag, here's the knife. It's in the shape of fish and it's all metal folder. You can see it's several types of metal, and I will walk you through the knife and the materials. So the casing or the handle is wrought iron that's forged very flat and folded and cut and engraved into the shape of fish. The scales are engraved and there is a inlaid silver stripe separating body and the head. There is a stop stripe with a stop pin in brass to prevent blade swiveling through the crevice here, and the washer is the eye of the fish and it's brass too, and the stopping ring that stops the blade while open is also brass. For the blade, it's a very strange shape that's greatly designed to benefit Hobbit style of life, and the blade is constructed out of layered steel and wrought iron back. It has engraved spiral on it, and the design is made with snacking in mind. So this fine point is very useful for cutting, but blade is sharp to cut sausages and bacon and cheese. But this bump on the back is designed so you can use it as a makeshift spoon to eat porridge with or something like that, or spread cream cheese on your bread and something like that. The knife is actually a replica of archaeological find from Shire, and we have a great documentation of it in a book of Unknown Traveler, and there is a lot of stuff there, but one of the pages shows the knife as was recorded by this traveler. So I tried to make a replica. There are some minor changes in that, but I stayed close to the original. So this is the Hobbit feasting or snacking knife, and it's available. I will post the price and details in the description of the video. There was already some interest in the knife, so you have to hurry if you want to have this one. But it's very fun knife to make, and I would like to make another one, so there's nothing lost. If someone buys it, then you can have this one or the next one. Thank you very much for looking, and till the next video from the Shire, or maybe from somewhere else.